All right, welcome to object mode. Now, object mode is a fundamental state that all of your objects in Blender will either be in or they won't be in. Let me explain. Object mode, if we select an object, is our entire object. You're going to see if I select it, it selects the entire object. No matter what type of object I add into my scene, if I select it, it selects the entire object. It relates to the object as a whole. Now in edit mode, which we're going to discuss in the next section, is a little bit different. Edit mode, if you press tab and go, there's different modes for edit mode. You have vertex, edge, and face, as we'll discuss. You can also access it up here if you'd like. But edit mode is a bit different because now we have access to individual, what we call geometry, the individual geometry that makes up this entire object. So you're going to see if I select it, I can select different pieces, different vertices here, or even different edges or different faces. Again, we'll discuss what all of these are in the edit mode section, but the object mode relates to the object as a whole. That's really all you need to think about. That's all you need to remember, and that's the easiest way to think about it. And really quick, I want to mention that in object mode, you'll have your origin point. Object mode is kind of, or the location of the object in object mode is defined by that origin point, which we've discussed before. That origin point is kind of, you know, the origin of the actual object. So that's all you need to know about object mode. Simplest way to think about it is it relates to the object as a whole.